Hey, today I'm gonna teach you 11 Russian words you'll remember in no time. And all of these words are closing, and they actually come from English. The best part? You won't just remember these words. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use them in a real Russian store. Sounds good? Let's jump in. By the way, I'm Olga. Я Olga, a native Russian speaker and the creator of Russian for Fun. This is lesson 14 of my super easy, zero stress Russian language course for absolute beginners. So let's get into the lesson. Let's start with the shortest word. Here it is on the screen. Try to read it yourself first. You can always pause the video if you need a bit more time. Okay, it reads top. And again, top. Let's name all the letters in the word top. Т, О, П. So we have top. Any guesses what it means? Да, it's top. Good job. Ready for the next one? It's... You can pause the video if you need more time. Okay, this one reads парка. 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 And again, парка. 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 Now let's name all the letters in the word парка. П, А, Р, К, А. Can you guess what парка means? Да, it's парка. Great! Here comes the new word. Take a look. Try reading it by yourself first. Feel free to pause the video if you need an extra second. Got it? This one reads body. 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 Again, body. 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 B-O-D-I. Body. Body. Any idea what body means? Да, it's body. Awesome! Let's check out the new word. Here it is. Try to read it on your own. Да, it's пижама. 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 Once again, пижама. 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 П, И, Ж, А, М, А. Пижама. What do you think пижама means? Да, pajamas. Okay, word number 5. Try reading it on your own first. You can stop the video here if you need more time. Да, it reads шорты. 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 Again, шорти, шорти, шорти. Ш, О, Р, Т, И. Шорти, шорти. Any guesses what shorty means? Да, shorts. Good. Word number 6. Can you read it? Да, леггинсы. 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 Guess the meaning. Да, leggings. Word number 7. First, you read. It's cardigan. 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 One more time. Cardigan. 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 Your guess what cardigan means? Cardigan means cardigan. Word 8. Take a moment and read it. As always, you can pause the video. It reads джогеры. 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 And again, джогеры. 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 Any idea what джогеры means? Джогеры means joggers. Word number 9. And here is something new for you. The letter H. Again, H. Да, Russian really has a letter that just says H. Super simple. Big H, small H, same shape. Now let's read the word 9 together. Hoodie. 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 And again, hoodie. 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 Any ideas what hoodie means? Да, hoodie. Super easy, right? Word 10. Let's read it together. Джинсы. 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 In the word джинсы, the letter E sounds like U. So, why U? Because after the letter J, the sound E naturally becomes E. The thing is, J is always hard. That's why we read джинсы. And again, джинсы. 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 Good. I bet you already know what джинсы means. Да, jeans. Last word, number 11. Джемпер. 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 In the word джемпер, we have the letter E after the letter J. Remember our second reading rule. When the letter E comes after a consonant, the consonant becomes soft. and the letter ye sounds like not ye. In the word jumper, the letter J stays hard because it's always hard, no matter which letter comes after it. But the letter ye still follows the rule and sounds like So we have the word jumper. Can you guess what jumper means? Да, jumper means jumper. Okay, that's all 11 words we learned today. Let's quickly go through them again. Top, парка, body, пижама, шорты, леггинсы, кардиган, джоггеры, худи, джинсы, джемпер. Good. Now let's start using these words in real Russian phrases. Imagine you are in a Russian clothing store, not really sure what anything is, but you know one magic phrase. Я ищу. And honestly, it's enough to survive. We first met the phrase Я ищу in lesson 6. Remember what it means? Я ищу means I'm looking for something. Now let's say I'm looking for a top in Russian. First slowly, then faster. Я ищу топ. Я ищу топ. And now let's say I'm looking for a body. Я ищу body. Я ищу body. The next phrase, I'm looking for shorts. Я ищу шорты. Я ищу шорты. Let's say I'm looking for a hoodie. Я ищу худи. Я ищу худи. The next phrase is I'm looking for leggings. Я ищу леггинсы. Я ищу леггинсы. Good. Move on. I'm looking for a cardigan. Я ищу кардиган. Я ищу кардиган. Okay. The next phrase is I'm looking for a jumper. Я ищу джемпер. Я ищу джемпер. Let's say I'm looking for jeans now. Я ищу джинсы. Я ищу джинсы. Let's say I'm looking for joggers. Я ищу джоггеры. Я ищу джоггеры. Let's say I'm looking for a parka. Remember that the Russian word parka ends with the letter A. So we change it to U and have the phrase Я ищу парку. Я ищу парку. The last phrase. I'm looking for pajamas. Я ищу пижаму. Я ищу пижаму. See how pajama turns into pijamu. It's simply because it ends with R, so we change it to U. Great job today! You learned 11 Russian words and start using them with the phrase Я ищу. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the lesson, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!